Gentlemen and dear lecturate sir, my lecturate topic is AI. What is actually an AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence. We know the importance of artificial intelligence in our world as very much. When we talk about AI is not just a tool to search something and get an answer. It's more than that. We know AI is used more over half of the population of the world. Now, AI has some advantages as well as disadvantages. When we talk about the advantages of AI, that is artificial intelligence, it has many, like the productivity. The productivity of an individual is increased using AI. Also, the time management. As AI gets good answer at a very minimum time, you have a lot of time to do another things. And also, it is used in making applications, programs, files, or to get information about a vast thing. Also, it allows you to get more answer, not only one answer, but also more answer on a particular topic. And it also increases the efficiency not only of an individual, but also of a company. We know different companies are hiring AI tools, how to use AI tools. Now the world has changed, and we know it is technologized. Sorry, sir. The world is changing towards technology. So an individual should know how to use AI. And when we talk about the use of AI, it's pretty simple in common ways, but to elaborate things, we should know the technology very well. Also, when we talk about the disadvantage of AI, first and the major problem that AI has faced in today's world is the loss of jobs. We know companies are firing their employees for as their AI are taking their places. We know why would company pay to salary to an individual if their work can be done by an individual that is not need any money or salary. Also, AI has some bad effects, like it's making animations which are not required in today's world. The people are also misusing AI for their personal use. At present, I would like to conclude that AI is a way in which it can destroy you or it can make you. It's your opinion and it's how you use it.
अब डिफेंस एग्जाम क्रैक करना हुआ और भी आसान। त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी लेकर आए हैं बिल्कुल ही एडवांस लर्निंग ऐप। तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें और स्टार्ट करें अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस।